Welcome to this month's Marketing Monthly video. In today's episode, we're delving into why having a mobile-friendly website is a game changer for care providers. Mobile friendliness ensures your website is as easy and engaging to use on a smartphone as it is on a desktop. It encompasses responsive design, quick loading times, and touchscreen-friendly interfaces. Responsive design means your site automatically adjusts to fit any screen size, providing a seamless user experience. This is critical as a stunning 60% of internet access is now on mobile devices, highlighting the essential need for mobile-friendly websites. Improving your website's mobile friendliness involves several key steps. 1. Optimizing images and videos. Large media files can significantly slow down your site on mobile devices. Compressing these files without losing quality can drastically improve loading times. Tools like image compression software can reduce file sizes, ensuring that your visuals remain striking without bogging down your site's speed. 2. Simplifying your website's design. A cluttered website can be a nightmare to navigate on a small screen. To counter this, employ larger fonts for readability and streamline your menu to only the most necessary items, ensuring that everything is easy to find at a glance. Additionally, design your buttons to be large enough to tap without zooming, making interaction straightforward and effective. 3. Enhancing text content for readability. Considering the smaller screen size of mobile devices, adjusting your text content is crucial. Break down your text into shorter paragraphs and utilize bullet points to convey information concisely. This approach helps in making content not only easier to read, but also more engaging for users who are likely scanning through information quickly. Focusing on the user experience is crucial for a mobile-friendly design. Mobile users are often looking for information on the go, so it's vital that your website is easy to navigate and key information is readily accessible. Ensure your calls to action are clear, forms are simplified, and contact information is easily available.
We hope you enjoyed this month's Marketing Monthly and look forward to seeing you next time. Feel free to email any questions to us at team@prosperwell.co.uk and also check out our other resources such as blogs, vlogs, ebooks, and our care sector podcast Tea With